How to add Cash App to your Apple Pay. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Apple Wallet, log in with your account details. Click on the plus icon at the top right corner and you can see the option of From Cash. Simply click on it and you will be able to add Cash App to your Apple Wallet. Now the second method is to open the Cash application, go to your Cash card and you will see the option of Add to Apple Pay. Simply click on it and click on Done. And just like that, you will be able to add Cash App to your Apple Pay. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.